Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on KuCoin with a debit card. First, you'll need to set up and verify your KuCoin account. This ensures a secure and smooth transaction process. Make sure your debit card is linked and ready for use. We'll cover the steps to navigate the platform and select the correct payment option, making your first purchase straightforward and easy. Let's get started with the basics. Next, let's walk through the actual purchase. On the KuCoin homepage, find and click on the Buy Crypto option. From there, you'll select USD or Tether as the digital asset you want to acquire. Then, simply choose debit card as your payment method. The platform will guide you through entering the amount you wish to spend, ensuring a clear and simple process. Now it's time to finalize your transaction. Input the specific amount of USD you want to purchase. Before proceeding, carefully review all the transaction details, including any associated fees, to ensure everything is correct. You'll then complete any necessary security verification steps, such as a two-factor authentication code, to confirm your purchase securely. This step is crucial for protecting your funds. Once your transaction is complete, your newly purchased USD will be deposited directly into your KuCoin account wallet. You can then use this USD for various purposes, such as trading other cryptocurrencies or participating in KuCoin's financial services. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong, unique passwords and enable all available security features for peace of mind. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.